what we're seeing is that automated threats, so bots, bad bot traffic, is the root of many of the online fraud. And today with the AI that is accessible to everyone, it's really cheap to create some pretty sophisticated bots that will be widely distributed. And the risk of having different departments with some silo is to have some blind spots. What we know is that attackers, they will try to find the weakest spot in the infrastructure and in the application. Sometimes we are seeing that attackers will start to target, for instance, the website. As soon as the website is protected, then they will try to target the mobile app, for instance, that might be underprotected, or some APIs that are supposed to be used by partners, but that can be targeted by attackers. So that's why having a broad protection that covers all the different endpoints, it's the best way to avoid having some blind spots, because at some point, attackers will be able to find those blind spots and they will target it very, very badly. So what we are seeing is that we are able to reduce by 95% the fraud around the payment, for instance, when there is a proper protection that is deployed in front of the application.